Hey foodies, oh you have caught me. Now look, if you're like me and you love healthy food and you went out and stocked up on an enormous amount of nuts and seeds to the point where you could probably feed Currumbin Bird Sanctuary, well I have got two incredibly easy cracker recipes for you. One with egg and one without. So come along with me. I'm Chef Dominique Rizzo and this is my pandemic pantry. Now, even though the supermarkets are open, there is no need to panic and panic buy, I still have been going through my pantry, and as I'm eating something, I'm not buying it again, I'm actually trying to remake it. So my partner and I have gone through the corn chips, the crackers, and we don't have any bread currently in the house. So I have said to my partner, we're not buying anymore, I'm going to be making them, I'm a chef, we can do this, and this is why I thought I would share this fabulous recipe for you. I love crackers, I love snacking, I love having cheese on crackers, dips, and just, you know, a glass of wine and a little platter in the afternoon just helps it all go past much, much easier. So I wanted to show you two really simple seeded crackers that you'll be able to make at home. One is vegan and egg-free, and the other one does have eggs in it and of course nuts and seeds. So this is so easy and you're really going to love them. The first cracker recipe that we're going to make is one that I have made a number of times, and I always throw in extra different flavors every time I make it. That's why the recipe is so great and versatile. It does use flax meal. So if you've got the flax meal or flax seeds at home, they're really handy, and apart from being like birdseed, a lot of us got into flaxseed, and you know, a lot of recipes for gluten-free use flaxseed and keto and low carb, and this is a really great cracker that is keto, gluten-free and low carb, so it's perfect for anyone who's following any sort of diets along those lines. So I just ground the flax seeds myself, so I buy them whole, put them in my little spice grinder or food processor, ground them myself. This has got a bit of nutritional yeast, some almond meal and salt. I'm also going to add in some Moroccan spice into these because I love them with a little bit of flavor. This means that you can have them just on their own or with a dip or something, and they've got some really great flavor on their own. And it's just a couple of cracked eggs. So throw the eggs in. And all you want to do is just break the eggs up, mix that through until you get a really pliable paste that we are then going to roll between two sheets of baking paper until it's probably about, I'd say maybe 2 mil thick. And basically you just bake it in the oven until it's dry. Give it a little score. So we're going to cut the crackers out before we actually put that in the oven. And yeah, it should only take probably about maybe 15-20 minutes, and then we turn it over, dry it out again, and you are ready to go. For all you vegans or egg-free lovers, if you have chia seeds on hand, this is a winning cracker. Really high in protein, heaps of nuts and seeds, great essential fatty acids and oils and everything that you should be having, and also goes well with a big chunk of brie or your favorite dip. So these crackers are just a matter of throwing all of your ingredients in together. Chia seeds is the main ingredient. So chia seeds, you can buy these in the supermarket, and once they are submerged in water, they form like a gel, which is great for use in cooking that doesn't require eggs, smoothies, thickeners, different baking, so you'll come across them. They're really, really popular now. So what I've done is added the chia seeds, all my other seeds with water, and let this sit for about 15 to 20 minutes until you end up with a really nice, thick, kind of gluggy sort of dough. And you can kind of see that the chia seeds have made this sort of a little bit kind of slimy if you were to feel it, and that's what we're looking for. So these are a lot easier because you don't need to actually cut these out. So all I'm going to do is pop this onto a baking sheet. I'll show you the mixture, delicious. You can add anything in here. I've adjusted this a number of times and added in chia seeds, sesame seeds, flax, sunflower, pepitas, hemp seeds. You can also go in with your almonds, cashews, macadamias, whatever you want, any sort of spices. even kind of, curry pastes. You can add in a couple of spoonfuls of your favorite kind of laksa paste or curry paste or anything like that to give this a little bit of extra flavor. So all I'm going to do now is just add my other sheet of baking paper on top, and using my little rolling pin is just roll this out until it's about probably about 2 to 3 mil thick. And then it's just a matter of going into a 170 degree oven for about 15 minutes, 20 minutes, until it's really nice and dry, and then flip it over and another probably 20-30 minutes until it is dry on both sides. Take it out, and then you just break it up into great shards and keep it in an airtight container. So, nice easy tip. You've got 2 great cracker recipes that are definitely going to keep you online with the girls or the guys, having a drink, having a little snack, and you know that you'll always have these on hand.